In the world of PC building, keeping your rig cool is crucial. But who says high performance can't come with sleek style? Today, we're showcasing the top 5 PC cases that strike the perfect balance between thermals and aesthetics. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a design enthusiast, we've got a case that will keep your system running cool and looking sharp. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the hottest, well, coolest PC cases on the market. The Montech Air903 Max is a standout PC case designed for optimal airflow and high performance. Its sleek design features mesh front panel that ensures maximum ventilation, keeping your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. The case supports up to ATX motherboards and offers ample space for high-end GPUs and large CPU coolers. With its tool-free drive bays and well-thought-out cable management system, dueling and maintaining your PC is a breeze. The Air903 Max also includes multiple fan mounts and comes with pre-installed fans, providing excellent cooling out of the box. For those looking for a case that combines style, space, and superior airflow, the Montech Air903 Max is an excellent choice. The Asus Prime AP201 is a compact yet versatile micro ATX case that brings a blend of elegance and functionality. Despite its small size, the AP201 is designed to accommodate high-performance components with ease. It features a fine mesh front panel for enhanced airflow and cooling efficiency. The case supports full-size graphics cards and large CPU coolers, making it ideal for powerful builds. Inside, you'll find a clean layout with ample cable management options, ensuring a tidy and efficient build process. The Asus Prime AP201 also includes USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C front panel connectivity, providing fast access to modern peripherals. For those seeking a compact case without compromising on performance, the AP201 is a superb option. The Cooler MasterBox NR600 is a sleek and functional mid-tower case designed with optimal airflow in mind. Its clean, minimalist design is complemented by a full mesh front panel that maximizes ventilation. The NR600 supports up to ATX motherboards and offers plenty of space for large GPUs and tall CPU coolers. The case includes a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase your build, and features multiple fan and radiator mounting options for versatile cooling configurations. With its spacious interior, straightforward cable management, and tool-free drive installation, the MasterBox NR600 is perfect for both novice and experienced builders looking for a case that combines style, functionality, and excellent airflow. The NZXT H5 Flow is designed for builders who prioritize airflow and cooling performance. This mid-tower case features a perforated front panel and top cover, ensuring excellent ventilation. The H5 Flow supports up to ATX motherboards and provides ample room for high-end graphics cards and large CPU coolers. It includes a tempered glass side panel for a clear view of your components and comes with pre-installed fans to enhance cooling right out of the box. The case also offers a dedicated cable management system, making it easy to achieve a clean and organized build. With its modern design and superior cooling capabilities, the NZXT H5 Flow is an ideal choice for enthusiasts looking to build a high-performance PC. The Corsair 4000D Airflow is a high-performance mid-tower case, engineered for exceptional cooling and airflow. Its distinctive front panel features wide ventilation channels that direct cool air through your system, keeping your components at optimal temperatures. The case supports up to ATX motherboards and offers generous space for multiple GPUs and large CPU coolers. It includes two 120mm air guide fans designed to concentrate airflow for enhanced cooling performance. The 4000D Airflow also features Corsair's Rapid Route cable management system, making it easy to create a clean and professional build. With its robust construction, modern design, and focus on airflow, The Corsair 4000D Airflow is perfect for building A. Alright, folks, that rounds out our list of the top 5 PC cases for 2024. Remember, the ideal case for you depends on your needs, whether it's prioritizing airflow, maximizing space, or rocking some serious RGB lighting. No matter what your style or function, there's a perfect case out there to house your dream PC. So happy building, and keep it cool.